And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to create a no or stop icon, whatever you want to call it. You know what I mean if you see it in Illustrator. Let's first create an ellipse, hold shift to a perfect circle. We only want to have a stroke and no fill. Now create a line with the line segment tool, hold shift when you do that so that it snaps to 0 degrees. I'll center both properly. I'll only select the line, right click, transform rotate, use 45 degrees or minus 45 degrees, whatever you need, and click on preview to see what you're doing. I want to have 45 degrees in this example, and then I click on OK. Select it all and then use the shape builder tool, hold Alt to get rid of these two shapes. And now we can still increase or decrease the stroke size and resize it holding shift and Alt. And that's it. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.